Well, hello guys. I still have some problems with my work car Ford Transit. Uh, this video is meant to reach out to you guys if somebody of you may know what I have with my car here. I have tried so many things, but I can't find the problem. And I will show you here. Many of you have already seen this car. It's a Ford Transit Mark 7 07. I think it is like 2 months ago since I made the video changing out the pressure sensor or rail sensor, suction relief valve, and the high pressure release valve. And then the engine, it kind of got better, but it went worse. So the symptoms here before, it was rough idling and it was hunting on the karung 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 karung. Yeah, and when changing the suction relief valve and the other stuff here, it made the idle better. But when the engine was cool, when I started, it did run for 2 minutes, very okay, and then it stalled. And when I started again, it ran like 10 seconds and then stalled. Then I was contacting some mechanics and asked for advice here and Googling really much. And I started to believe that it was some electrical issues here. So I did send this ECU box to a company that checked the inside of it, and they said it was okay. It wasn't like some moisture in there, or they didn't see some burn marks or something also. So that's okay. So I got it back and I assembled it. Then I did rip off the electric box here, clean all the terminals, all incoming terminals, checked everything, every relay, every fuse. I did change the relays and stuff, and I came to the conclusion that this was okay. And I checked the wirings and the connections everywhere. I cleaned the terminals everywhere. I had ripped off everything here, and I did also check all the terminals, all the connections, all the ground wires, all relays and fuses, and all was okay. And yeah, I did also check the fuses here under the seat where the batteries are, and I cleaned the terminals. Everything is good, and I got some help from a car shop and a mechanic, and we did check the fault codes from here. So I will put the fault codes that you can see them here. Yeah, but when I didn't find some electrical issues here, I uh, I thought I will try some fuel additives. So I did put some diesel fuel additive in the tank, also with some two-stroke oil, and drove around here and when driving and starting and stalling, it became kind of better. So I was wondering here today if my diesel pump is busted or something is stuck in there, because when it runs really great, no problem. But every now and then it stalls. Yeah, sorry, I didn't tell you about the injectors here. I think the injectors, they are good still, because there's no excess smoke here, and when driving the car and the engine is running good for some minutes, then It's driving like new. Yeah, it runs really great when it runs. So I don't think it's something with the injectors. Of course, they aren't new, but I can't tell. Of course, I have checked the injectors while the engine is running by taking off the electrical connections one by one and listen if something is happening, but I can't tell. It's the same with all injectors. I have changed a lot of parts here. As I said, the fuel related parts. I did also change the air sensors, but nothing happened. Crank sensor is new, filter is new, also the EGR valve is new, and I can show you a video clip here from today when I was trying. And then I try again. But let's check now and see how it runs. So let's see from inside here. It's not a check engine light or something. It's just normal. And starts. And now it stalls. No problem here. Now let's see how it idles. Yeah, it stalls right away. What do I have to do here? I already checked the internet what these pumps costs. So all used ones they are around 200 euros. So I think I will try to change it out and see what happens if you don't have some other suggestions to me. So yeah, I hope I get some answers from someone somewhere in the world. So thank you beforehand, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.